So once again, welcome back guys. In this video, we are learning about what is format specifiers. So in if you want to create some large number of create the thousand number of line, many times you use the format specifiers and all the things. So what is the format specifier and how this format specifier work? In this video, I cover. So simply you know what, if you want to print the some data into integer type, you use %d. What we use %d. If you uh, want to print the some floating type, matlab, suppose that 2 point and all the things, so you use percent f. If you want to print a double type of the data, you can use %d, character %t, and string %s. What is the %s? I will cover in the upcoming video when I teach you the array and all the things. So don't worry about this. You might be know there is one type is the string type. So in this video I only cover in the fourth type. What is the %d, what is the %f, and how to use %d, and what is the %c. So let's start it. I open my vs code, and here I am writing simply create one format dot c. In here I simply write the all the access specifier. So first we need what we need include stdio, where we find all the libraries related to the printf. And is scanf. What is scanf? I cover in the upcoming video. Don't worry about after after is format specifier. My scanf. What is the scanf? How to take the data from the user? All the things is cover. So don't worry about that. So here simply I write int a equal to 12. Simply I want to print this in the print. So simply we rewrite printf. And suppose if I print the string, so simply write world hello world. And here I'm using the I also return. Why return? Because I using the integer. What integer? And that's why I'm using I return. And all the things I cover in the upcoming video. So here you can see hello world is printed. So if I print the something in the string, simply write as the in the double quotation, simply write this. But if you want to print the a, or if suppose I write simply here printf a, I want to print in the curly bracket. If I want to print in the curly bracket, sorry, what happened in the curly bracket, and control s and run. Let's what's happen. You can so here you can say hello world. After hello world, here is the a is printed, but I want print 12. So might be you think about to remove the this one. And after running, I hope it is printed. So let's run it and see this is what's happened. So if I run it and run it, you can see here give me the error warning. Passing argument 1 is the printer make pointer from the integer without the cast. Where we don't use the format specifier, that's why he give me the error. He don't know about the what is the a, or where is the a, which type of the formatting is the a. So all the thing. So if I we print the value of the a, we simply use, let's comment this. We simply use we simply use printf. Just little bit. This one now is the fine. Sorry for now. You can better see the better in the very. So let's suppose I print the a value. So first we need the access specifier. So here you can see in this my ppt, you can see if you want to print the integer type value, you can use %d. So I simply here use %d. After %d, I simply comma and name of the which value we want to print. So I want to print a, and simply write a, and here and this one. Suppose I comment this particular things and run it. You can see 12 is printed. Here you can see 12 is printed on my console. So this is all about the is about the format specifier. Let's suppose I want to print. Let's suppose int b equal to not b int I use a float. In the float, which type of data insert? Floating decimal pointer, decimal pointer, suppose 2.2. And simply if I want to print b here and run it, here you can say he give me the minus something something. This is because of this is not perfect format specifier we using, that's why he give me something just like minus something is called, I call, you can say that minus something is the random number, he give the random number. So this is all about if you use some, if you want to print the particular float value, or if you use the integer type of the format specifier, so this is happen. But let's suppose I use here f and run it. So you can say 2.0.0000 is printed. What is 00 in the after decimal? 000, not the name, not the any value of the 0000 and 000 both are the same. If I print here, you can say I put 442, so you can say 000 after 2222. Let's suppose we want only print after 2.0, not here 30, we not don't need to print. So simply here I simply write 2.1 and simply control s and run it. So here he can say, you can say only 2.2 is printed. If I print here, I simply remove it the 2. So after decimal point is the 2 value is printed. So here you can see 2 value is printed. So this is all about your float point. After floating, we are use the double. In the double, c equal to, simply I write 5.1234567 this much amount of data. Let's comment it, and here I simply write printf, and the double point which format specifier we use, percent d, sorry, not percent d, percent ld. Here is I'm getting little bit mistake. Percent is not percent d, percent ld, percent ld. And in the percent ld, simply print the c. If he give me the error, so I can solve it, don't worry about this. So he, no, percent d, in the percent d he not give me the error. Let me check the my ppt after the, in the double we use, sorry, in the double we use percent lf, in the double we use percent lf. Now it's work properly, don't worry about this. Sometime I also getting the some little bit mistake, don't worry about this. So here you can say he after 5 he printed 0.2225. So this is all about the floating part. If you want to print the character a, character d equal to, simply in character d, sorry, I simply in the character d I store p. If you want to print the this particular value, so simply I write printf beneath format specifier percent c, and after that we simply print the d. Don't confuse, here is access specifier, or this is name is the variable name, here which name is here I given. So don't confuse what is the c and d. So if I run, the print is printed in my console. So here you can say p is printed into my console. So this is all about our access specifier. So we have four type of the access, we have multiple type of the access, not multiple type, we have n number of access bar, but the main access bar is here. First is percent d for integer, percent f for float. Here I'm little bit getting little bit mistake. In the double we use percent lf, you can write down lf. And here character, for the character we use percent c, and the string we use percent s. It is I cover in the when I teach you array and all the things, so don't worry about this. So this is all about this. I give you some homework. So you can print, first you can take the 12, not 12, you can take the 10 as the bit data types. We use the storing the data 10, and which access pair we use. So you can use this. And after then you we can 1.5, and third one is 0.123, and after that fourth one is percent g. So you can also give the data, what is the data type and what is the access file we need for all the four assignments. So you can complete your assignments and upload in my comment box, sorry, not upload, my post in my comment box. So appreciate your homeworks and all the things. So that's for the now. So bye bye.